Hi everyone, Tasso here, and today is the first day of Stu's 3-day free event, the Membership Blueprint Workshop Series. And this workshop is all about memberships. Stu is the go-to expert for membership sites. He his work will help tens of thousands of membership site owners launch successful memberships, grow their existing memberships. He has a unique perspective behind the scenes. He knows exactly what's working right now in the membership arena. He's co-founder of Wishlist Member, a membership plugin, co-founder of Search, a platform dedicated to membership site owners, and founder of the Membership Experience, a training program that helps membership site owners launch and grow their businesses. I've been through this training a couple of years ago. It's an incredible training, comprehensive, detailed. There's nothing like it. And there are countless bonuses inside the membership area, and you can find trainings from other people, from other successful entrepreneurs and marketers, countless of strategies and frameworks that work to really grow any business in any market. And Stu is hosting today the first workshop, the Membership Blueprint. He'll be sharing proven strategies and frameworks for membership sites like the Success Path. And if the only thing that you take away from this workshop is the Success Path, it's really worth every minute of your time to attend this free workshop. This is a strategy that really helps you get your members so excited inside the membership, and so they keep coming back and paying month after month the subscriptions. And it's a strategy that really helps you as well relieve stress and anxiety from your business. And you don't need to create content daily. This is a huge nightmare for membership site owners. You don't need to create content on a daily basis. That's what I am doing. I'm building my own membership program right now. It's a mastermind membership. I will not be adding content daily. Of course, this is a service-based business. It depends on your business or your industry, but you can add any service-based business in any service-based membership to any business in any market, even in the most obscure niches. And the Success Path is also a strategy to really help your members inside the membership really understand where they are, where they want to go, and how to get there. You give them a roadmap. It's an incredible strategy that you can use right away in your business. And you don't even have to pay Stu for this strategy. He'll be revealing the whole strategy in this live workshop. And Stu will be sharing hundreds of success stories of other membership site owners. You get a feel of what's working in this industry. And we also have an amazing bonus to help you validate your ideas. We have the Membership Quest, a week-long event, live, interactive, online. We have you submit your ideas, you submit your membership ideas. We'll review them. We schedule an interview right away, and then we start performing research online together with me, one-on-one. There's nothing like it in the market. You won't find anything like that. No one is doing what I'm doing. And I'll be helping you really understand your audience, their needs with my 7 Ideals methodology. And we'll help you tailor your messaging, craft amazing stories that you can use everywhere, and test the market in real time before you build your membership. And also, this is very important, we'll be rewarding the most appealing membership ideas with access to our 7 Ideals beta group revisited. It's the second time that we run a beta group, and this time we have a brand new strategy to help you organize and run amazing live events that no one is using. This is a secret weapon for 7 Ideals methodology, so be very descriptive on the application page. Describe your membership idea and your business in detail. And we have plans also to reward the most appealing ideas with we'll get you your brand featured on our blog. And keep in mind that our blog is being visited by thousands of people, so this means free exposure for you and your brand. So everything you need to start, launch and grow a membership site is here. Stu is hosting the 3-day event. We have the 7-week membership quest event. Download Stu resources. There are free guides. And register for the workshop, register for the quest, and I look forward to working with you one-on-one today. So register now, and I'll see you at the membership quest, at the workshop. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Take care.